Well, good morning fishermen. Here we are sitting at Fishibg in the rain. Forecast is for heavy rain swinging around to the west. It's gone around to the northwest now. But we can only catch a fish you've got a line in the water, so let's go and give it a go and see what happens, eh? Rightio, good morning fishermen. Here we are. A wet, windy old day at Fishibg. I believe I've got a fish on. Got a bit of weight on the end of the rod. Yep, there's a fish there. There he is. Oh, jumping jack. It's persistent rain. That's alright, I'm the only one here. Roland's over there in his camper van. But as I have a bit of fun while we're here. Got my wet weather gear on. Got some scones and biscuits. Lots of coffee. Kill a bit of time. All wrapped up nice and warm. Got one in the mouth and one in his dorsal fin. Nope, now he's only got one in his mouth. I wasn't going to come out because it was raining, but we go back to level 2 tomorrow. I thought, oh, what the hell, might as well come out. It looks like a jack to me. There we go. Oh, nice jack. 4.5. Been here for a while, he's quite dark. They're always dark in Fishibg. It's just the way about the water quality. So they change colour to the adaptation of their environment. Send them back where he came from. See ya, Bubba.